Let's find out how to add auto captions in CapCut. In today's video, we will show you how you can let CapCut automatically add captions to your video, so make sure to watch the video to the end and follow all the steps. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your CapCut app. When you are here, click the big blue tab that says New Project. When you have created a new project, go and click the video you want to get auto captions on. I will just choose one of my recent videos. When you have chosen the video, go to the bottom with the different options and click on the T or the text option. Now you see the Auto Captions tab. Click that and you will see a bunch of different types of auto captions to choose from, where you can see a lot of them are free and some of them you need CapCut Pro for. So go ahead and play around with the options you have and choose the one you like the most. After you have chosen the auto captions you want, go and click Generate, and it will take a few seconds to generate. That is how you add auto captions in CapCut Pro. Make sure to leave a comment if this helped you out, and be sure to check the other videos on the screen as well. Thanks for watching.